In the name of Mighty Allah, welcome to our Learning English Academy channel. Today we are going to talk about the first condition class. First condition. In this condition, our condition is in simple present tense, but our result gives or our result will be in simple future tense. It means we use again here two tense. One of them is simple present and another of them is simple future. Let's come to the structure of first conditional class. We have two kind of structure. While you bring we use if while we use condition, but our condition is in simple present tense, like if plus simple present tense, then comma, then our result will be in simple future. Or you also can change the place of this structure. You bring result at the beginning, simple future tense, then you use if, after that you use result. Got it, student? Let's come to the example of first class. First number. If I study hard, it is condition, but it is in simple present tense. After that comma, I will get first position. My result will be get first position. Or you can also change the place. Like you bring result at the beginning. If I will get first position. If I study hard. The second example. If you buy iPhone 13, it is condition. The result will be I will give Wi-Fi. It is result. Or you bring a result at the beginning. I will give Wi-Fi if you buy iPhone 13. Got it? If do you have any kinds of questions, suggestion, then comment it our YouTube channel. Thank you.